So I'm going to show you how to increase the RAM of your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra by borrowing some of your storage space to use as extra RAM. So go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to device care, tap on that, and then go to memory. And under memory, you will see this option called RAM Plus. You can tap on that, and then once you enable this, you should be able to add either 2, 4, 6, 8, or even 12 gigs of your own storage space and allocate that to the RAM and increase the RAM of your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Okay, so currently I've already allocated 8 gigs. So this is where you can turn that feature on or off. And once you select, like for instance, if you want 12 gigs, you'll have to restart the tablet. So once the tablet restarts, 12 gigs of your storage space will have been allocated to your RAM. So you'll have your normal RAM plus another 12 gigs of RAM. Thanks for watching and good luck.